Okay guys, so this is the fireworks we just got here. I didn't go down to the beach, instead I'm out by the road. Is that the it? Oh, for a second I thought that was the end. Look at that. Subscribe to my channel if you like this. Remote-Backroad-Jungles with a dash in between each word. This might be the end. We might have got by the end. I'm not really sure.
Typing it?
Yeah. You can hear the people screaming down at the beach there. Yeah, be careful. Careful you don't fall back in the ditch there.
Oh my goodness, must be a lot of people over there.
Huh. Set off somebody's car alarm.
That might be the
Remote-Backroad-Jungles with a dash in between each, guys.
Where's the end people?
That's it?
Yeah, come on. That's it.
Okay, don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel, Remote-Backroad-Jungles with a dash in between each word, and my link is www.youtube.com/@hiddenaoasis-secret pathfinder. Sorry guys, I didn't realize that was just like the tail end of it. Now we got to walk all the way down there. All the way down there. There's tons of people down at the beach, tons of people over here, and we got to walk all the way down here. They had a detour and people cheering at the beach there, and then now we got to walk all the way back, but that was worth it because it was really pretty, but they must have started earlier than what I thought.